Hi ACIS friends, I'm Caleb. Welcome to our Sounds of Spring performance at Unity. At our concert today, we have a wide range of students from our lower elementary school choir up into our high school symphonic bands. We hope you enjoyed coming to our concert.
Hi, can I interview you?
Yes.
What event happened today?
The Spring Summer Music Festival.
What instrument did you play?
The flute.
What was your feeling during the session?
I'm very nervous at first, but it was very good.
What songs did you play?
Avengers and Mission Impossible. What instruments did you guys play today?
I play saxophone.
How about you?
Saxophone too.
What songs did you guys play?
So we play for high school band. They have an extra performance for combination of the high school and the middle school.
Okay. What songs did you guys sing?
So we have 3 songs. We will feature Fuji's, the banana boat, and 月亮爬上来.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Mr. Wong and Miss Judy. How long do you guys prepared for this?
When it comes to preparing for a concert like this, we planned since the beginning of the academic year. And that's part of what they're learning in school. And also the pieces were chosen in January once I know what they are capable of. And I'm challenging them with difficult repertoire. They have around 4 or 5 months to prepare for this.
What are your feelings for this?
So this year we have added the recorder club, and the recorder kids really practice hard, very hard. I didn't want them to come after school to stay back for a 1 hour thing. So we just practice like every Monday and Thursday for 15 minutes before class starts, right? Because class starts at 8:25, so it's after assembly they come over and then they practice with me for like 15 minutes and then they go back to class to start the day. So I'm very impressed by what they have done. Although we only played 3 pieces, but then the hard work, the hardship that they put in, the effort that they put in, it's very, very commendable, right? I really praise these kids for their hearts. Every time I ask them to come, they never stop. They never say no to me.
What are your plans for your future?
Next year's the first year we get 12th graders, so I'm very excited to see them as a complete school and perform as a complete grade middle school and high school.
So for me, I want this choir to grow and I want to continue with the recorder club because they're very excited. Yeah.
Thank you.
See you next year. Bye guys.